Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Poacher Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by the chairman of Wakuga, the Hustler. The Hustler. Hey, these days when we Putin. Yeah, Putin. Why? But you Namasim. Analyze. Yeah. I think that's Chibo because Nabona Mandugune. Peace la. You know what then? I'm not here to clarify what is Sundowns. He lose people. I'm here to tell you what Sundowns are sifuna. Mr. Ngongong it Helana we missed the contraception. It was then. I'm not here to analyze. Yes. I'm here to say Sundowns is not the Sundowns that I know. It's not Sundowns that I know. And European Sundowns and unjustified and submuntu. But ungakhulumi usaba ukhuluma supporter icoach yakho what ukalo simsupporter kakhulu. Yes usupporter simsupporter kakhulu and isikhathi manje so we as Mamelodi Sundowns fan to say that the management must take us serious. Yeah, we're here for them to management take us serious because I understand into yenza and up until urulana azomshaka stadium less ngilazobona that day ukuthi uzomphethe enga yokuthi urulana wahamba and especially enga yokuthi udliwe le day urulana next February kwamanje enjoy imali Sundowns is enjoying money Mamelodi Sundowns and Sibo igame namuhla idlala Sundowns idlalile ngoba mina Sundowns angeke ngilahle I will still come and support akufana lama supporter lawathi under Cardoso won't come to the stadium maxima support the Sundowns my fake supporter my supporter with temu mina I will still come and weakness is into zakalawo la eloftas and we are coming for lo bekahluphi Chiefs lo Dimon del Fikolosh bayeza la lakithi angeke alunga la ubenzile ku Pirates wakwenza wadlala and Sibo enye into ngifuna ukuyishona khuluma Sundowns congratulate to Kaizer Chiefs why iwinile for what embaraskalal ngomsinga elabantu babulela too much banomlomo bane time yawine ngakhulu askalal udla mina nomuntu lomkhulu una 4 una 8 years lomkhulu athi laba abajabulela kudla bantwana besikolo akibanye baloyi okunye kwathi kimi win it's a win win it's unjani FC baselebrate ngathi win World Cup ndoda ku obiti le team le ine problem uyangena nomuntu uyajabula chairman yakhona I would like to Sibo organizer I'm fast man of the match
Sibo man of the match ni Williams man of the match and Sibo is my first time ngikhuluma kuma fans wethu sikhulekile kuma fans wethu asibonge nje
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?